welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I have filmed a YouTube video, but since the past 2 or 3 days I've been wanting to film really badly. So here I am. Also, I have a couple of new things that I recently purchased in makeup that I wanted to try, so I'm like, why not give it a try? So let's get right into the video. So I have already prepped my skin with my e.l.f. gripping primer and my skincare. So I've been using a skin tint for a while, and I literally recently got this foundation from Givenchy, and I've been wanting to try this for a while. Someone on TikTok mentioned that you're only supposed to use one pump of foundation, so let's give it a try if I can just do that. Okay, this is a lot less than I expected. Okay, we can try and see if this works, or else we'll just use a bit more. I am just going to go over with my stipple brush on the back of my hand, coat it up, and just go directly on my face. Okay, maybe half a pump more. This is literally liquid. I'm not even joking, if you can actually see. Now, I've been using skin tints for a while because I feel like the foundations and the powders that I was using were really cakey on my skin, and I already have a good skin, so I don't want to cover up my skin. So I decided to go with this foundation. So another reason why I'm just using like a pump or half a pump and trying this technique is to make sure that my makeup and my foundation does not end up looking cakey, but more like skin texture. I actually do enjoy this. I do want to wear it for a longer period and see how it works. But going to my concealer, can I use this NATASHA DENONA? I have been in love with this since I have started using this. I am not gonna lie, I used to use Maybelline's Age Rewind. I also tried on the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Everything felt too heavy for me, and even if it was a bit of coverage that I needed, it was still too heavy for my skin. And after I got introduced to NATASHA DENONA, I can't stop wearing this concealer. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of concealer in my inner corner. I don't want to go overboard. Again, my aim is to not make my makeup look cakey and make it look more natural, but at the same time giving you that makeup vibes. I hope I'm making some sense. I'm just gonna stamp it like this, dragging it out on my outer corner just to give a bit of definition to my eyes and lifting my eyes up. And whatever is remaining on my brush, I'm bringing it inside towards my nose to cover up the dark circles. And again, in my inner corner, I'm just stamping whatever is left on my brush. I'm taking it up and a bit down as well. So for setting the face, I am going to use this pressed powder from Givenchy. Now, I've heard a lot about this powder, and the reason I wanted to switch from loose powder to pressed powder was I hope it does not end up looking cakey on me. Again, like, I'm just gonna mix all the colors together on my brush and start setting it. I do love how it's setting my face. My face has gotten matte, but again, it's not clinging onto my foundation. I can still see my natural skin texture, if you can actually see through the camera. I do love it. I never thought I would actually end up loving the product so much, like both the foundation and the pressed powder. Now I'm gonna use this Hourglass lightening powder in dim light and just go over all the areas where I would like to gain a little bit of light on my face, just swirling through the whole thing. And a little bit of blush. Now it's time to do my eyes. It is one of my favorite part of makeup. So let's start with eyes. I'm gonna start with prepping my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base primer. I do not prefer using concealer for eyeshadow base because like this makes my eyeshadow stick much better, and also the pigmentation just comes right through. That's why. Gonna go in with the shade Gratitude and Aura. I think I need a darker shade. I'm just gonna use the darker shade, that's Aura. Just using a crease brush to just blend out the edges. I'm gonna go in with the almost black shade and again go over the liner, but like not this thick, just like very close to my lash line. Going in with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna use the shade because I just want like a wash of color, not that pigmented. I'm finishing this look. I'm gonna use this lipstick from Lisa Eldridge. I love this lipstick. It's so glossy, plumpy, does not dry out your lips at all, and the colors are so pigmented. I genuinely love this brand. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.